Hey everybody, this is Tammy, or a girl from the Bayou. I just wanted to do a quick flip through of this ephemera envelope that was inspired by Artie Maze's envelopes. This is two envelopes put together. It has washi tape along the edges, stamping just like Artie Maze's. I made a pocket on the front, put some ephemera. I think this one is from Ephemera's Vintage Garden. It's a bingo card with a bluebird, tags. I think this image is from Somerset Studio, one of the freebies in their magazine. So inside, I used Artie Maze's collage papers along the edges. I put some pages here to journal on, and I'll probably put something under this paper clip on the inside, as well as a charm, a bead on this charm. This is the back of the second envelope, and I have a lot of journaling cards in here, a Rolodex card. I think there's napkin card, decoupage, birds on it. So inside, I have a pull out here. This is just some journaling paper. Probably put some more cards. This, I decided to put a little journaling notebook in the belly band. This is a pocket and a journaling card that I collaged. Some ephemera. This is a Artie Maze print, and just some collaging some journaling pages. This is a cute little card. This is the belly band and some more ephemera, so that just fits in the belly band like that. And when you fold it up on the back side, I have a little pocket here. This is from Ephemera's Vintage Garden, and I have some little tags. I think that's an Artie Maze tag, maybe a freebie even. Some other little tags on the back of it. And I'll probably just close it with some Sorry silk or a real pretty little band. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. I'll try to put my links below, and check them out. Thanks for watching. Bye.